Hey y'all, I ain't really quite sure what to call this. We're gonna call it some kind of Hawaiian sliders, chicken sliders. I don't know, Cajun chicken sliders. That's what it's gonna be. All right, y'all, stay tuned. It's gonna be good. All right, y'all, we got some of these chicken cutlets here, but you can use whatever you want. We grab this oil right here. We'll squirt a little bit on here and mix it in. But you can use any kind of chicken you want. You can even use ground chicken on this will work. We'll squirt a little bit of this olive oil on here. Okay, mix it in a little bit. That really makes the seasoning stick really good. Work it in. Now these are cut thin. You could I like to smash them with one of them little hammers sometime, or however you want to do it. It's yours, you do what you want. But we definitely gonna hit it with some of this Cajun Country right here. Look at this. I'm putting a good bit on there because I'm gonna mix it around a little more. Y'all got a little bit of sugar in here. Not a lot, but a little. And you're gonna have to watch it when you're cooking this. If you cook it too fast or too hot, the sugar's gonna burn. But that's gonna give it a good, nice brown texture. You'll see. Let's get these on this griddle. Wet her down. I like to put a lot of oil on it. Don't mean it's all gonna stay. It's gonna run out the back, but that's good. Y'all watch this and this. Ooh, hear that sizzle? Got it cooking. All right, y'all, we got that down. Now we're going to talk about the Holy Trinity and some mushrooms. Holy Trinity is just some onions, bell peppers, and celery. We're gonna steal a little bit of this oil, drag it over yonder. That's it. Come on. Look at that. Put some of these onions out there. We're not gonna do a lot. All right, we're gonna grab some of these mushrooms. Well, this is something I kind of grew up with, mushrooms. I love mushrooms. We're gonna chop these up a little bit. I love mushrooms. I grew up eating mushrooms because we picked lots and lots and lots of wild mushrooms when I was growing up. And I just like them. Gives a good flavor to everything. We're gonna get us a little bit of this seasoning right here. Sprinkle on here. Put it on the onions, it ain't gonna hurt. And a little bit of this. This is that Worcestershire sauce right here. That's the good stuff, the Leon Perrons. Woo! While we waiting, we're gonna work on this sauce. A little bit of this mayonnaise. How you say that? Mayonnaise. I'm not sure. I think we're gonna get 1, 2, 3 spoons will be enough. All right. Now I'll tell you what we're gonna do 4. Change my mind. I'm always doing that. Now y'all, I know it's gonna sound funny, but try some of this. It will change the color of it. That's that wash your sister sauce. Nah, Worcestershire. That Leon Perrons. I like to mix this in first, y'all. Make sure it gets in there really good. Then we're gonna get some of this. Ooh, that's the good stuff. Crystal hot sauce, y'all. Full of flavor. Everybody talks about heat and hot and heat, but this ain't. This Crystal is full of flavor. It's got a little bitty kick, but not something real bad. Look at that. Make it turn red, y'all. Y'all know what I need to do? I need to get back there and flip them chickens. All right, we'll put a little bit more because I'm gonna start some more. 1 more shot of this. We're good. Smelling that chicken. Speaking of the meat, let's go check the chicken. Come on. Oh yeah, y'all. This is all starting to do right. Do what? Did y'all hear that? They said they were thirsty. We'll give them a drink. Got no problem doing that. Y'all, that seasoning coming up, that's seasoning. Don't throw that away. Mix it in there. Yeah. All right, we're gonna turn these chicken to the other side. Let them cook a minute. Oh. All right, y'all. We're gonna need a couple minutes on this chicken and we're gonna be right back. All right, y'all. Now we're gonna cut these buns up. Y'all, this is my favorite kind of little buns here. We're using these for the cut because they're good. That's the only reason. They're good. I don't know what else to say about them. We're gonna try to keep them all together. You know what I mean? So, I don't know what's be best. It's best to cut them on here, y'all. I know you ain't gonna believe me, but watch this. What in the world is Bruce doing today? Now, the reason I'm leaving it kind of stick on there because it's easier to cut. See? Now, this is what we're gonna do now. We're gonna move these pork chops. That ain't no pork chops. Who told me about pork chops? We're gonna move this chicken to the other side. Okay? This is ready. Oh yeah, the chicken is ready. Put it right there. I'm gonna wash this down just a little bit. Not the whole bunch, but a little bit. Watch this. Because we're gonna put something on here. Right. Ain't nothing no better than this right here. Butter. Butter makes it better, baby. Look at that. Do your little dance up here. We don't care. Get over here. Well, this is just something we started the last several years. When I was growing up, you didn't have cut up chicken. You bought a whole chicken when you went to the supermarket. And these days it's a little different. Watch this, y'all. Oh, yeah, I did that. Oh, that's butter, y'all. Yeah, when I was a kid, you couldn't buy leg quarters. Nothing like that. It was always a whole chicken. The butcher cut them up or you cut them up. That's just the way we grew up. Where'd my thing go? Oh, there they are. Got my thongs right here. Grab a couple pieces of this chicken. All right, y'all, we're gonna get all this chicken piled up right here. Look at there. The reason we're cutting this up is to just make it spread around a little bit. We're gonna add some cheese to it, a little more seasoning probably. Oh, and some more cheese, and we got a special sauce we got made up we're gonna add to it. All right, now, we're gonna dump this on here. Let it heat up a little bit. All right. Get it heated up. Let me show y'all what we're gonna do next. I don't know about y'all, but I don't like paper in my cheese. Watch it start getting this to melt. This is that souped up pepper jack. Well, this has got a little spicy in it. Got a little kick to it. Y'all know how we like our little kick. But this will definitely do it here. But you don't want to eat the paper. All right, y'all, this bread ought to be getting pretty toasty about now. I'm gonna get me a nice and clean spatula. I'm gonna flip them. Poop. Is that pretty or what, y'all? I can smell the butter. Look at that. All righty, y'all. Oh, that's done. We're fixing to put this good sauce on here that we made up, y'all. Ooh-wee. You can do top and bottom, whatever you want. I made enough for both sides. You can just use whatever you want to make your own sauce. This is just something I come up with, my family likes. Now we're gonna get these onions. I mean, I cook them down like this a long time. Your kids and grandkids won't even know they own there. All right, is that pretty or what? Look, you could eat it just like this. Okay, we're gonna turn this over a little bit. Get that stickiness everywhere. Y'all look like we need a little bit more seasoning here. Where my oh my goodness. You're on there pretty thick. Y'all come on over here. Watch it. All right, y'all, I'm putting all these pickles on there. And this ain't your regular pickles. This is gator pickles. I'm telling you, gator pickles. And look, they're addictive. Gotta do a little backwards deal here. Flip it over to the other side. Oh boy. Oh, that's it. That's money, honey. Ooh, that's pretty or what? I'm gonna say this again. Mama always said don't play with your food, but we've been playing with this and we had a great time. Now it's time for the good time to eat it. We done sprinkled a little of this good stuff on there. Ooh, can you say Cajun Country? Cajun Country, good stuff. Y'all watch it. Got the pickles on it. Look at all that. Look at all the stuff in here. Can y'all see that? Now I toasted these buns a little bit in that butter, and with the sugar from everything, it caramelized and it looks good on here. Now watch here. Y'all got the mushrooms, the onions, the sauce, the chicken. You know what? Hawaiian buns are just good by themselves. If you can find the gator pickles, they are spicy, they are good. But if you can't find them, just use regular pickles. Y'all make sure you watch the next episode. It's gonna be really good.
Tonight you're cooking